So, good day everyone. Today I will discuss the responsibility accounting and segment evaluation problem number 3 that focuses on residual income. So, here may given tayo. ABC Corporation gathered the following data relative to the performance of its Southern Division. So, based kay ABC Corporation, binigyan niya tayo ng given na net sales, 15,500,000, cost and expenses, 13,200,000, average operating assets, 6,500,000, desired minimum or yung imputed rate of return established by management, 18%, average industry rate of return, 30%, and tax rate of 40%. So, ang pinaka-requirement sa atin is to compute the Southern Division's residual income. But before that, ano muna yung residual income? So, ang residual income, sinusukat niya kung gaano kalaki ang kinita ng division beyond the minimum expected return ng management. So, ibig sabihin, chinecheck nito kung talagang may nadagdag na value ang division after ma-recover ang required return sa investment. So, for the formula, para makuha yung residual income, segment income, ilalas lang natin yung minimum income na investment multiplied by implied interest rate, makukuha na natin yung ating residual income. So, for the solution, yung segment profit natin, paano nakuha yung 2,300,000? So, meron tayong given na net sales na 15,500,000 and ilalas natin yung cost and expenses na 13,200,000 para makuha yung segment profit na 2,300,000. So, para naman makuha yung minimum income. Yung minimum income is the yung average of rating asset natin, yung pinaka-investment, 6,500,000 multiplied by implied interest rate or yung rate of return established by management, 18%. Makukuha natin yung minimum income na 1,170,000. Then, yung segment profit ilalas natin, yung segment profit na 2,300,000, ilalas natin yung minimum income na 1,170,000, makukuha natin yung residual income na 1,130,000. So, anong ibig sabihin ng 1,130,000? So, based sa computation natin, positive ang residual income ng Southern Division, which means na mas mataas ang kanilang kinita kumpara sa minimum expectation ng company. Pinapakita nito na maganda ang performance ng division at nakakatulong ito sa overall profitability ng ABC Corporation. So, that's all for the problem 3 that focuses on residual income. For the residual income.